In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates here in Google Sheets. Now, you don't need formulas to do this. The easiest way for you to clean up your data would be to actually use a built-in tool. In this example, I have this data, and there are a couple of duplicates. So if I wanted to quickly remove those, what I'm going to do first is to select that range where the duplicates are located. Then go to Data here in the menu bar and select Data Cleanup. So again, we're not using any formulas here. We are using built-in tools within Google Sheets to remove these duplicates. So as soon as you hover over the Data Cleanup, you'll have three options on the right side. We have Cleanup Suggestions, Remove Duplicates, and Trim White Space. So of course, we're going to select Remove Duplicates right here. So do pay attention to our data right here. And when I click on Remove Duplicates, here are our options. So it has 20 rows and 6 columns selected. That's our range. That's from A2 to F21. Now it's asking us to expand to our headers, which I'm not going to do because we don't need those. And the columns to analyze would be all of these right here. Now, if there are just some columns that you want to remove the duplicates from, then you can simply unselect that and select the column that you want to remove the duplicates to. But since we are going to remove the duplicates on all of the columns, I'm just going to select all right here, then click on Remove Duplicates. So again, we have 21 rows right there. If I click on this one, now we have 18 rows left. So it will say 3 duplicates rows found and removed, and 17 unique rows remain, of course, excluding our headers. Click on OK, and there you have it. A quick way to remove your duplicates within your data. So one more time, if you want to include your headers, that's totally up to you. If I undo this, we had 21 rows, and if I redo it, we now have 18 rows, removing all those 3 rows which are duplicates. If I go back here, you'll notice we have 3 duplicates, which are Liam. We have the first one right here, and here's the duplicate. Next one, we have Emma. Here's the first one, or the original one, then the duplicate on row 11. And lastly, we have Isabella. This is the original, and here is the duplicate on the 20th row. So again, if I redo that removal of duplicates, we now have all unique values within our data. But if you just want to highlight those duplicates, what you can do is to check out another video that I created using AI in creating a custom menu where you can quickly highlight your duplicates. So if you're interested in that, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should also definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.